DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You don't know in the lab what we are dealing with. Crazy bangers and what? Crazy reactions and crazy bangers on the head top, man. Stop going like you know the code, man. Yeah, man. You don't know where I deal with today, man. Yeah, we're there with none other than Mr. Vanilla Card himself, Mr. V6 himself, none other than Malie Donn. The one I name outside. I check it out and see what I deal with, gang. But before we even jump in, make sure you like and subscribe button, because we road to 10K, you know, gang. Road to 10K. Then can't stop with. A full year, you know. And next year it's gonna be even greater. You see me? Next year we are at 20 and 50K, you know. No jokes, you know, gang. You see me? You don't know what the best reaction channel on YouTube. We not ask Christ, you know. You see me? Not true, channel is small. And we are the best at this shit. No jokes. You see me? I say, gang, you see me? I say, so let me know one thing that hit like and subscribe button, road to 10K. You already know what time it is. And yeah, man, we're there with none other than Malie Donn. You see me? Mr. Vanilla Card, the one name outside. Go check it out and see what my deal. It's been a minute since Malie dropped a song. You see me? I say been a minute, but you don't know when time Malie drop it's a movie. It's definitely an epic moment. You see me? I say, so we now will be vibe much longer. We'll jump right in the track. Malie Donn outside, let's get it.
Yeah. Inside. Yo, Zimmy.
Runs on the up block, but I can't see no ups. And I'm six of pussy, I was like,
outside, man's on the up block, but we don't see no ups. Tell them sixes pussy what we outside, yeah? Yeah, bruv. You know I got the English accent, huh? You know I can spin like that, any cut. Yeah, let's get it. Shout out to me, yeah, shout out to me UK people, you see me? Yeah, man.
The whole of them inside, and the kill of them outside. The whole team pan a boat ride. Tell a pussy say fi go slide. We drop the house with a fat ride. Fuck a them bad mind. Tell a boy no fi play with the ensign. Forever up we no capsize. No capsize. Nigga stop it capping on no hype and broke. Veneers in a mouth, teeth white like coke. Spliff in a mouth, me a drive and smoke. A Caribbean bitch with a Highland throat. We no brunch like rice and toast. We a
Caribbean bitch with a Highland throat. Jesus. Don't make that go about it, go on.
We now fi hype and boast. 30 shot in a the belly, flick fly one go. Steer up you like Highland clothes. Any VS up, no give me doozy. I love it for turn, I bring a Gucci. Boy, I said them bad, them have to prove it. Them know in a leak, them a newbie. White liver, she a coolie. Pretty little filly, she no groupie.
Hold on now, man. Boy, I said them bad, them have to go prove it. I want to know, brother. Song bad, video bad, beat bad. You know what we have to do. No joke. No joke. Yo, big up Malie. You see me, I say big up Malie, dog. You see me, cause me not lie. From what they Malie, I go on. From me, you can't see some Malie thing up. From the dog come American in there on squash and in 60, you can't see that thing up. The diamonds them brighter. You see me, they whip them bigger, they whip them faster. You see me, the money taller. I want to you, man, up moves. Oh man.
Yeah. Inside. Yo, Zimmy.
runs on the up block, but I can't see no ups.
We don't see no ups on here. Outside. Warm to them, man. Malie, talk to them.
6, 4, 1. The whole of them inside, and the kill of them outside. The whole team pan a boat ride.
Yeah.
Tell a pussy say fi go slide.
Yeah.
We drop the house with a fat ride. Fuck a them bad mind. Tell a boy no fi play with the inside. Nigga stop it capping on no hype and broke. Veneers in a mouth, teeth white like coke. Spliff in a mouth, me a drive.
Man say nigga stop it capping on a hype and broke. I want to have the hey!
Caribbean bitch with a Highland throat. We no brunch like rice and toast. We a murderer, we not fi hype and boast.
Man say we no brunch like rice and toast. Hey, who know the party there? Rice and toast, big up yourself. Malie just speaking up. Hey!
Shot in the belly, flick fly one go. Steer up you like Highland clothes. Any VS up, no give me doozy. I love it for turn, I bring a Gucci. Boy, I said them bad, them have to prove it. Them know in a leak, them a newbie.
I have to go prove it, boy. Nobody no know no. But we in a league. Which league you in? Eh? Which league you in? Move up.
Live a she a coolie. Pretty little filly, she no groupie.
Yeah.
Check my chain, check my jewelry.
Yeah.
Take off your clothes and go in the pool, bitch. Inside, and the killer them outside. The whole team pan a boat ride. Tell her pussy say fi go slide.
Yeah.
We drop the house with a fat ride. Fuck a them bad mind. Tell her boy no fi play with the.
Malie say bad mind a kill on the brother. Trying to see the new fat ride and the new house. Bad mind a kill on the man say yo get that hate out your heart. You see me?
Forever up, we no capsize. Pussy. Bad gal in a pool in a mesh. She a free. My love the ring pan your breast. Flex pan a gal from you know your preps.
Yeah.
Belly flat, you go gym, do your reps. Hell gates up a road, them vex.
Flex pan a gal, mama. Yeah, man, for you know preps. Belly flat, you know you got gym, do reps them. You see me, mama, you know you look good. Flex pan a gal, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, bad gal, a bad gal. He that, I he that. You see me, I say, mama, walk out.
So I be a murderer, the ya told you we dead. Latency, I be a pill in my head. No bitch can come see me pan the red. Strike a cash out of food.
It's a latency. Mount a pill in me. No girl come see me pan what? You must see me. Hey, mama, go your yard, man. We see that 7 days. We see that a week or two, mama.
Louis V, me go cash out a boot.
Come, that's disrespectful. Hey.
Nobody feel me, I spend my money from me. Go shopping and me skull account I use. Use the 40s, knock out your tooth. For me bitch bad like say she account a blues. Me no girl clone, me we mad out a root. And come in your world, make you have all me youth. Rich like bank and no Nova Scotia. Rich like bank and no Nova Scotia. Just left Brickle Pass, Whopper Loca.
Yes, you know. Miami dog say. Man say full of Nova Scotia bread da. Just spot Brickle. You see me now, we there bomba boka. Easy yourself no man. Easy no man.
Just left Brickle Pass, Whopper Loca.
Whopper Laka.
She see don't pam body and think as
Whopper Laka do Malie no Whopper Loca. But go on.
do a cheap chop, bring it cheap like Motorola. Rich black gal, but I know Oprah Winfrey. Me say 641, no know that code ya. The whole of them inside, and the killer them outside. The whole team pan a boat ride. Tell her pussy say fi go slide. We drop the house with a fat ride. Fuck a them bad mind. Tell her boy no fi play with the ensign. Forever up, we no capsize.
Yes.
Capsize, pussy.
No capside. This is no boat boy. I don't feel like. This is a ship I can't sink. I want to know. Man said just left Brickle Pass. Whopper Loca. It's Whopper Laka, Malie. You see me? Welcome to Florida, my G. Welcome to South Florida. Malie Donn outside. You the 6 them. What do you mean, man? Dog, man, do them thing. The man says 6 in Miami, you no better pay tax. Yeah, man. Malie. Look like you're back out and active, you know, brother. Yeah, man. I like the new tune. Love the new tune. Definitely clip that and send that to Malie. We love the new tune, Malie. Only thing we want, bro, we want you back with the consistency, dog. We can't take this 1 month, 2 month thing, my G. Yeah, man. We need 1 tune every 2 weeks, my G. Come on, man. We know you're more creative than that. We know you're more active like that. You see me? We know you, Malie. We know you got the skills, brother. You see me? I say. We know you got the brain. You see me? We know you can send out the tune them like factory, you know, dog. Me not ask, you know. Me know, you know. So send the tune them come on road, brother. You see me? Nobody wait till next year. The time is now. What's like you can drop them bad tune, you know? Yeah, man. We need more tune, like this, man. Come in, man. Malie Donn back outside. The man say them outside and the fucker them inside. You see me? I say, man say in Japan new house and the boy them bad mind. You see me? Veneers white like coke. You see me? I say, but a rich black girl and a Oprah Winfrey out here, brother. I'm here, man. Easy, you know? Yeah, man. That's a vibe. Malie, big up your damn self, my G. You see me? It's always a vibe when Malie drop. Always a movie. You see me? I say, the song and video production quality is always top tier, Malie. You see me? So I give it, you know what I'm saying? So we expect nothing less. You see me? That full of lyrics, melody, and all them things. So yeah, man. You don't expect nothing but good, but it's from Malie when in job. You see me? I say so. Gang, like it, definitely go show the artists all over and support, make you know say you're the dancing, you know. Also, gang, let me know what's your favorite part is beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's chop it up, man. You don't know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. More reactions and bangers on the head top. You see me and say, road to 10K gang. Hit that like and subscribe button. You see me and say, yeah, we in 10K before the end of the year, man. Next year, at 50K, we are doing a gang. Reaction them up, man. It's a vibe. You see me and say, but let me know anything in the comment section. You see me, let's get a dialogue going. We're going live later on, gang. We're going to talk about the culture. What's going on in the culture? We're going in cartel. You see me and say, we're going with massacre, alkaline. Who else we need to talk about? We have to talk about everything that's going on in the culture over some pop the balloon, all that. Go to SG Venom. You see me got an interview we got to check out. What else we want to talk about? Shensia and the Bobby Atlaff. We going live later on, gang. Tune in. You don't know what time it is. You don't know. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out, man.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.